Shit, this is the good heart challenge. Make my own shit, you feel me? Supposed to do this shit, man. You trying to make the world a better place, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of shit going on in the world, you know what I'm saying? And the best thing we could do as a people, just look out for others, you know what I mean? It's the only thing we could do. It's the only thing we put on this earth for, you know what I mean? But shit, you know what I'm saying? People like me, now I have a good heart, you know what I'm saying? So, we feed people today, you know what I'm saying? I feed people today, man. Just going around and shit, just blessing people, you know what I'm saying? People who hungry out here, you know what I mean? So, shit. I would shoot them a couple dollars or something, but just make sure they eat, you know what I'm saying? That's better than just as good as anything else, you know what I mean? But shit, you know, I'm just making a movement, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's the world getting crazy every day, you know what I'm saying? So, shit, you know, just bring peace to the community, you know what I'm saying? See, this is why I couldn't be rich. This shit that I do, you know what I'm saying? I do this shit for real. Give back to the community, which people are supposed to do that shit anyway. You know what I'm saying? But, shit. Just another good day, man. It's a good Sunday, man. Thank God I woke up this morning. Hey, how you doing? I brought you something to eat, just in case you was hungry, you know. You know what I mean? Get something to eat too. You know, no problem. Just, you know, take it easy. Yes, ma'am. Know what I mean? Shit like this to make the day. You know what I'm saying? I feel good about myself. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's just people out here who hurting, man, and you know what I'm saying? If you able to give a person a helping hand, shit, why not? You know what I'm saying? Shit, that's why God bless you for this shit. You know what I'm saying? But you know, shit, I just don't understand. Sometimes I just don't understand, man. Like how it's so hard to fucking just be a good person. You know what I'm saying? Shit, ain't nothing wrong with it. You know what I'm saying? Shit, let niggas hate. Let niggas say, oh shit, you know what I'm saying? That nigga there, he ain't bite shit. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that. You know what I'm saying? Should I do this shit, man? And I mean, I don't mean to get all intense in this video, because this ain't what the video is about. But, you know, I just had to get that off my mental, you know what I'm saying? I just be thinking sometimes about these fuck niggas, you know what I'm saying? How they be. Anyway, man, y'all have a blessed Sunday, man. I love all y'all, man. If y'all can, man, y'all go out there and do the same thing I did, man. Make the world a better place, man. 100, man.